Ooni of Ile-Ife, Oba Enitan Ogunwusi, CFR has made debuts into the Hollywood movie, playing an awesome role that befits his throne as the custodian of the Yoruba culture. The movie is about the quest for one's origin and root that led the characters to question the status quo and take action in the discovery of destiny. The producers say the royal head of Ile-Ife played a unique role that befits his throne as the custodian of Yoruba land and brings royalty, honor, and authority into the make-believe industry. In an impressive cast mix, the producer featured Hollywood actors like Dave Sheridan, Rivette, Felissa Rose, and Meji. Oba Enitan Ogunwusi epitomizes the source of the Yoruba people, which historically is Ile-Ife, and this plays out in the movie Take Me Home in a thought-provoking manner. Oba Enitan Ogunwusi, who is the spiritual and traditional leader of the Yoruba race, is saddled with the responsibility of making supplications to God and the Orishas on behalf of his people. Take Me Home, shot in the Hollywood studios in California, United States, throws light on the essence of culture and tradition of the Yorubas to the Western world. Take Me Home is a unique movie laced with African cultural narratives, mystery, courage, and self-belief. It is a story of an American family that gets stuck in a series of Pandora's box when their daughter gets possessed after wearing an African masquerade costume which was stolen during a tour of Ile-Ife. In a bid to save the life of their daughter, the entire family gets into a new kind of trouble following the promises of two African immigrants. Take Me Home is produced by historian, filmmaker, broadcaster, and cultural ambassador, Doden Taylor, featured Hollywood actors like Dave Sheridan, Rivette, Felissa Rose, and Meji. Also stars Nigerian Nollywood actors, Lateef, Adedimeji and Bankole, Oyolinko, among others. Transformers movie robot Optimus Prime storms Owambe, dances Amapiano. Lagosians are known to host interesting parties, and this explains why a video from an event caught the fancy of many in the online community. The viral clip captured the moment a mascot looking like Optimus Prime from the popular Transformers movie stormed an event. Guests at the party couldn't contain their excitement as they watched the mascot take center stage and bust some serious Amapiano moves.